Eucalyptus tenuipes. Eucalyptus tenuipes, known as the narrow-leaved white mahogany, is a species of small tree that is endemic to Queensland. It has rough, fibrous bark, narrow lance-shaped leaves arranged in opposite pairs, flower buds in group of 11 to 20, white flowers, and spherical to hemispherical fruit. Description: Eucalyptus tenuipes is a tree that typically grows to a height of 515 m 1649 ft and forms a lignotuber. It has rough, grayish-brown, fibrous bark on the trunk and branches. Young plants and coppice regrowth have sessile leaves that are paler on the lower surface, linear to narrow lance-shaped 70-155 mm 2.86.1 in long, 412 mm 0.16 0.47 in wide and arranged in opposite pairs. Adult leaves are arranged in opposite pairs, dull, dark green on the upper surface, much paler below, narrow lance-shaped to narrow elliptical 50-135 mm 2.05.3 in long and 820 mm 0.31 0.79 in wide, tapering to a petiole 415 mm 0. The flower buds are arranged on the ends of branchlets and in leaf axils in groups of 11 to 20 or more on a thin, branching peduncle 315 mm 0.12 0.59 in long. The individual buds on pedicels 615 mm 0.24 0.59 in long. Mature buds are spherical to pear-shaped or oval 3-4 mm 0.12 0.16 in long and 2-3 mm 0.79 0.118 in wide with a hemispherical operculum. Flowering has been observed in January, March, May and July, and the flowers are white. The fruit is a woody shortened spherical to hemispherical capsule 4-5 mm 0.16 0.20 in long and wide with the valves near rim level. Taonomy and naming. In 1928, Joseph Maiden and William Blakely described Eucalyptus acminoides var. tenuipes in Maiden's book, a critical revision of the genus Eucalyptus from specimens collected by Harold Ingemann Jensen near Meteor Creek, south-central Queensland. In 1931, Blakely and Cyril Tennyson White raised the variety to species status as E. tenuipes in Proceedings of the Royal Society of Queensland. The specific epithet tenuipes is from the Latin tenui meaning slender or thin and pes meaning foot, referring to the thin pedicels of the flower buds. Distribution and habitat. Eucalyptus tenuipes grows in open forest on gently slopes between Rockhampton and St. George and sporadically further north. Conservation status. This eucalyptus classified as least concern under the Queensland Government Nature Conservation Act 1992.